Hi there, it's Professor Monty again. Let's look at the idea of mutually exclusive events. Now, events A and B are mutually exclusive if they cannot happen at the same time. So for instance, grades on an exam are mutually exclusive because you can get an A on the exam or you can get a B on the exam, but you can't get both grades on the same exam. Let's look at another example. So let's erase this. Suppose I roll a die, just a regular six-sided die. So I roll a die. The possible outcomes of the die, of course, are going to be 1 through 6. Let event E be that they're even. So in that case, it can be 2, 4, or 6. And we're going to let event O be that they're odd. So 1 through 5. Now these two events are mutually exclusive. E and O are mutually exclusive. And the reason they're mutually exclusive is they don't have any elements in common. There's nothing that could happen that you say, oh, A happened and B happened. They have some overlap. If I drew a picture of this is a Venn diagram. Say this is the even number. So in here, we're going to have 2 and 4 and 6. Over here, the odd numbers. We're going to have 1 and 3 and 5. These are completely separate graphs. So this is what the graph of a Venn diagram of mutually exclusive things would look like. There's 2 circles, one for each set, but there's no overlap in the sets. Okay, say we put another set in here, call it A, and let A equal, it could be the numbers 1, 2, or 3. Well, now if I look at A and E, these are not mutually exclusive. A and E are not mutually exclusive. And the reason why is if we look at the even numbers, 2, 4, and 6, and we look at A, 1, 2, and 3, they both have 2. Both have 2. So 2 is an element in each of those sets. So if we were to draw this picture, it would look something like this. So here is going to be the even numbers, but it overlaps with set A. So if this is the even numbers, and this is set A, we know 2's in both. A had 1, 2, and 3. So those are in the A circle. 1, 2, and 3, the A circle. The even numbers were 2, 4, and 6. So 2, 4, and 6 are all in the even circle, but there's an overlap. Not mutually exclusive because they have something in common. There's an overlap. Mutually exclusive because there is no overlap. They don't have any elements in common. Okay, so that's what mutually exclusive is. So simple as that, work with this. You'll get it. Just take some practice. All right, I will link this to another video that I have that's on the OR symbol in probability. All right, we'll do that. I'll talk to you again soon.